we have moved the chicken tractor and the tunnel that the girls had access to and moved her over here. This is usually how everything starts. I put up the bones and then I put up the fencing afterwards. It's getting a little late in the day today, so I think I'm just gonna put up the bones and do the fencing tomorrow. Making sure their water doesn't leak, so when I put them out here tomorrow, I can check it again. We got a weird cement patch here, not sure what that was from. And we'll see what they do about digging around that. That'll be within their tunnel. This is the grass seed that I had planted last fall. Curious to see how well the grass would take off around here. Didn't do too shabby. I don't have a lawnmower, so the chickens get to eat that down. But I still have enough room to get to my compost piles by going around the back side of the coop here. Took me about 2 hours to finish this. But they seem to be enjoying it so far. I'm trying to coax them through and they finally made it. Good girls. This fencing looks kind of weird, but hey, it works. Good girls.